Take your machine and tools out of the box and remove any packaging. Insert the support rod vertically into the mount. Once you hear a click, this means the ground base is successfully assembled. The ground base can hold the vacuum cleaner and 3 commonly used accessory brushes. Before first use, please charge the device to the full. When the charging indicator light is turned on, this means the device is charging. After 5 seconds of charging, the indicator light will turn off, and the device will enter power-saving mode. When the display indicates 100%, the charging process is complete. Insert one end of the extension rod into the main body till you hear click, and the other end into the brush, aligning with the conductive pins. Press the power button to activate the machine. It starts by default in auto mode. Press the switch button to change the suction modes. Eco mode for daily cleaning, and turbo mode for stubborn dirt. Display functions. When use the illumination multi-surface brush, the Celeste light in front will be automatically switched on. Turn on the switch on the brush for soft surfaces like carpets and play mats, or when vacuuming large debris like coffee beans and popcorn. Turn on the switch off the brush for hard surfaces like tiles and wooden floors. When using the illumination soft roller brush, the light on the brush will be turned on automatically. This brush is suitable for hard floors such as marble and tile. Attach the flexible adapter to the main body, followed by the extension rod and brush head. This adapter is designed to reach and clean under low-lying furniture. Attach the motorized mini brush directly to the main body. This brush is ideal for cleaning dust and hair from mattresses, sofas, and other fabrics. Connect the combination tool directly to the main body. The crevice mode of the combination tool is suitable for cleaning gaps in windows, doors, and other hard-to-reach places. Press the button on the combination tool to extend the brush. Suitable for cleaning dust from ceilings, curtains, and other surfaces. Connect the soft dusting brush directly to the main unit. Suitable for removing dust from desktops and clearing debris from windows and doors. Attach the extension hose to the main body, followed by the pet deshedding tool. This brush is ideal for deshedding and absorbing hair for medium to long-haired pets. Connect the extension hose to the main body and the rotating soft dusting brush. Suitable for cleaning delicate surfaces like glass, displays, and keyboards.